This is the 4K key fob mini security camera. As the name suggests, this is a mini spy camera hidden in a normal car key fob. When you receive your package, you'll have a micro USB charging cable, a keychain attachment, the user guide, a reset key, and the camera itself. The keychain is pretty simple. Pop off the top cap and you have your charging port and the SD card slot. The only setup needed is inserting a memory card. To operate, press and hold the middle button for 3 seconds to turn the device on. You'll see a faint yellow indicator light signaling that your device is powered on and in standby mode. To record, just tap the trunk button once and you'll see a blinking red light indicating it's recording. Tap the trunk button one more time to end the recording. From the device, you can also turn off the indicator lights by tapping the unlock button, but be careful as the menus can be confusing with just vibration indication. So now we are recording discreetly with no lights showing. To use the local network to view live, save your videos to your phone, and change the settings, press and hold the trunk button for 3 seconds and you'll see the light flash blue. Once flashing blue, get out your phone to connect. On your phone, you need to go to the App Store and download the 4K Cam app. Next, go to your Wi-Fi settings. From here, select the network labeled Wi-Fi _ and a series of characters. The default password is 12345678890. From here, go ahead and launch the 4K Cam app. Tap Add New Camera, and then Wi-Fi Connect. You should be launched into the live view. From here, you can start and stop recordings, change the video quality settings, and change it into picture mode. In the top right corner, there are some more settings. Tapping SSID gives you the option to change the network name and password. Tapping time and date stamp allows you to have each recording time and date stamped in the top left of the video picture. To view and download your videos, tap the bottom left. From here, select a video and download it with the share button. Now let's take a look at some quality demonstrations.
Here we are in a long hallway. This is a quality demonstration at 5 feet away. This is a quality demonstration at 10 feet away. This is a quality demonstration at 30 feet away at a stationary angle.
And here's a quality demonstration of what text on a computer screen would look like. Here we are walking outside on the sidewalk. If you'd like to check out this product or any others like it, click the link in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-800-292-7748 or visit us online at SpyCentre.com.